So, a lot of the sounds actually came from down in this area. That's traffic up there, but our property connects right here. And this is the creek branch, but our property is off that way. And that is the creek branch. I'm not going to do too much talking. This is more of kind of I'll try to do kind of a calm video. But it's so wooded. You really can't, no one would, unless they're really looking for you, no one would really even know you were there. It's just kind of a secluded, as Pooh would say, a nice thoughtful spot. A nice peaceful spot. Even with the traffic, I mean, it's not like the worst thing. But this is the bridge. That's where I came from just now. The property's over that way. This is the bridge here, and I went down here at night with a dog one day. But this is what the bridge underneath the bridge looks like. Very sturdy. That's a heart-shaped rock right there. This rock, this is where the earthquake happened, right here. And rocks got moved. These rocks here were up there, and they were leaned. And after that earthquake, they fell down. After that shaking and rumbling and the booms. But there's some kind of wiring behind those patches and holes right there. But yeah, as you can see, it's just like, it's a tunnel. It's like a tunnel. I would speculate that if I were to go right here at night, there would probably be a lot of paranormal activity or supernatural activity if I brought the headband light and an infrared light. But I'm glad I feel slightly better than I did earlier. That's a bird's nest. Every time I come in here, that bird always flies off. There it is, right over there, the bird. And it just took off. Usually it goes the other direction. Wow, look at all the bird poop. That's where its nest is at. Made a nest on the wall there. The bird made its nest on the wall of the tunnel under the bridge here. That looks like sewage, but anyway. Wow, there are creatures living right in there. But I'm going to cross over here. And this is the other side. I'm just gonna look at this very large rock. That is the branch, the creek branch area. You can see the layers. Just layers and layers. It goes down and down. And that's where I just came from. And that's the road up there, the main highway up there. And this is the rock. I've seen a lot of triangle-shaped rocks now. That's where I just came from. So, technically, and the weird thing is there are no mosquitoes really that even bother me down in here. It's just, there's a cedar tree. See how these rocks are? It's really cool. That rock was not in that position last time, so it's moved, even though there's been no rain. But I just came from over there. Let's just walk. I'm using my partially working phone to record. So I mean, I can't believe it just kind of tried to work a little. Yeah, it's kind of an open, well, I mean, it's just lots of rock. It's just really nice. It's just really, really nice. Yeah, that's where I left the rocks last time. Let's see. And then you can see it's just kind of layers of rock right there. Let's see. I'm gonna walk this way. You actually do get 4G signal. 1 bar, but it's still signal. A bar of signal is a bar of signal. So, yeah, and this is the creek itself. Those birds have been flying by over and over. There's a huge crane or herring, whichever you want to call it, that keeps flying over. But see the way these are layered? When the water's really up, I bet this is really roaring. This is a nice place, nice spot to be. I'm no longer on our property, but I mean, I've crossed the road, underneath the road, but there's some driftwood technically right there. I brought the dog last time, but he went back to sleep. I put him back up. You can hear how it sounds nice and peaceful. This is concrete rock, looks like. It's dry mud. That's where I just came from. There's a red bird. Right over in the distance. See the red bird? He's picking up seeds and twigs. But the formation of all of this it's amazing. Surprisingly, there's quite a bit of fish in here. Once you get over here, you barely can't even hear the road. You can't hear the highway. It's nice and cool under here. Earlier, see, the sun was shining earlier. There's some of those fish right there. Some of those fish that were over there on the other side. Actually, lots of them. Oh, there's some bigger ones over there. Some bigger fish. Those fish over there crossed from upstream. Let's see. I just thought I would take you on the journey with me. My phone's malfunctioning. I didn't go this direction last time, but I guess I'll go over here and stop at now the sun's coming back out. Stop at this spot right here. Look at that school of fish right there. Look at all the fish. Down there is actually, believe it or not, well, actually it looks like there's more fish back in there. If I had my rubber boots on, you could walk through there. There's all kinds of tiny fish. Very large birds hollered earlier at me. But you can see A monarch butterfly. There were a bunch of those in the yard a few days ago. I'm gonna throw a rock in the water. See all those fish over there? Little tiny minnows. A school of fish. But yeah, this is the area over here. I'm going to take you to the other side, I guess. I'll just walk to the other side now. There's this nice big rock right here. There's a seed. Looks like a pig snout, pig's nostril. There's the rocks I threw in a moment ago. There's some larger fish there. They're not as large as the, I mean, they're not as large as some fish, obviously, but there's fish of all sizes in here. I mean, I haven't seen any really big fish. I used to catch, a long time ago, I used to catch rock bass. Rockfish in here. All of these fish here came from upstream and they're heading downstream. That bird caught some crawfish and he ate them. You can see this is super relaxing here. There's the sun. More minnows, tiny fish. See the way all of this is formed? It's really cool. I'm glad I'm feeling better right now so I can actually come down here and... Wow, there was a really big turtle. I'm talking huge. A turtle was resting over there. See the splash he made? Well, pretty big for a turtle. Probably a snapping turtle. But he was a huge turtle resting on that spot over there. I bet that's got a lot of fish in it right there. I need to show all of it. Like I stated, you can't even hear the traffic. It's really nice. Wow, there's even a lot of fish trapped in there. And crawfish as well. They might not be trapped. They might go under these rocks here, because I see them coming out from underneath the rocks. I don't know. Look at all the little fish there. That's where that huge turtle was. He was probably as long as my arm. I'm gonna go a little further back. See all of these big rocks? Yeah, there's a lot of fish over there. Looks like there's one big fish in the water. I see him way over there. There's some frogs hopping too. But I see, it looks like a big fish. There was and look at all of the little fish here. Look at all the little fish going through there. I don't know if you can see them on camera or not, on recording. All the little fish heading that direction. Look at all the little ones here. There's lots of things for birds to eat on. Lots of... There's some little minnows trapped in here. Little fish. There's lots of... wow, that water sounds nice. Heck, you could just camp over here. You could just... I mean, I've had some strange things happen over here, but... I mean, I've heard some strange things from over here. There's also bugs and things trapped in there. I don't think there's much, though. Yeah, look at that fresh looking water coming out of there. I mean, it's just the rocks purifying the water, and then it's beautiful. It looks like a giant fish tank. But you know, that's water, that's nature. Look at all that school of fish right there. But I just thought I've never made a video from over here, so I decided to do that. There's a bunch of them over there, making their way to the deeper water. That turtle is going to get them. There are a couple of larger fish, it looks like, if you can see them. Actually, several, not just a couple. There was one that just came up right now. Now the turtle's trying to get more fish. There's one of the very large turtles. I think I just seen a larger fish right there. Let's wait for him to get to hop up or bounce up, you know, flop. It's getting hot in the actual sunlight. There are several fish out there. You can see them if you look close enough. If you had rubber boots on, you could walk all the way over there to that other bank. But I don't have any rubber boots on right now. They're at the house. The water sounds awesome. Look at the tadpoles. There's the tadpoles in there. I've had all kinds of things happen over this area. Look at the monarch butterflies. Look at the monarch butterflies. Wow. There's a whole family of monarch butterflies. I don't know what kind of animal print that is. I don't know, there's several barrels over there, looks like. That was a fish trap right there. I bet a lot of fish and probably snakes are over there. Actually, there is one fish right there. You can see him, or you can see it right over there. I don't know if the phone records it or not. That turtle was resting right up there on that bank. There used to be, I don't know, what I'm wondering is where, see that big tree right there was upward and it fell. I don't know where. There used to be a bridge where they were going to put, right there, there's supposed to be a bridge where they were going to put, a long time ago, continue a railroad track. And then there was no longer any railroad track through here. But I don't know what happened to that. It's gone, so I don't know. I'm not sure. You don't even see that anymore. That big, people used to jump off of that, which was highly dangerous, but people used to jump off of it and swing from the trees and things. I remember it a long time ago. But yeah. Yeah. It's a nice day out here right now. I've been recording for 22 minutes, so I'm going to head on back. As you can see the water, you can see the area, and the highway's up there, but you can barely even hear it from over here. See all the fish at the surface over there? All of that is eroding away, because there's no trees there. But yeah, I wish I could go all the way over there, but I can't right now because I don't have any rubber boots. I can't cross that area. That looks like a place where turtles would stay, and snakes, but right over here is where all the monarch butterflies were. But anyway, glad you could take this journey with me. Let's take a walk through nature, and that's what I'll title this video. Let's take a walk through nature. That's a nice shady spot right there. I can imagine when this had more water. Oh wow, hello butterfly. He was going into that hole right there. I bet when the I bet this was a place where a lot of fish would go. Wow, there's a huge difference. There's a big oak tree. Well, not a big oak tree, but it's a small one, unless it's poison oak. I don't see doesn't look like a tree, so it could be poison oak. I'm not touching it. The butterflies are flying around me. But I'm going to make a separate video. I'm going on back to the house now. Across the road, over the river and through the woods. Well, this one just broke. that just broke. But I'm heading back. These trees here, they look like sycamores. Yeah, they are. They're sycamores. They grow really good in places like this. See the root system? Look at that root system. In the rocks. Sturdy and strong in the rocks. And these sycamores are growing all over. In the rocks. These root systems go all through the rocks, as you can see. So that's all for right now. Peace and much love. This is live from the creek. Hopefully I'll speak again soon. Bye.